Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with Minecraft and I want to show you my house. It's not a tree house, it's a underground tree house. I really don't know if you get it. I hope you get it. It's just, a house inside a tree. That makes sense for squirrels, not for human beings. But it's a game, we can do anything. Let's just go inside. Oh, where did my door go? What? That was really weird. Okay, now this is like scaffolding, so we're just gonna go down. And we're in my house. This house was inspired by another YouTuber, but I've made lots of changes, so I'm not gonna tell what's his name or her, but I'm just gonna say it was inspired. So all this, it's amazing, isn't it? Even underground it feels so bright because of the low grow stone. And this right here is my pool table. I wish we had sticks and those little balls and that triangular thingy that we do. But this, for now, it works. It just works. There is dirt above us. Please forgive me for that. There will be a part 2 of this house where I may add more stuff in it. But for now, this is part 1, not a long video. So we're done with the pool table. By the way, I know you love this. I know you love the stair design. Just comment it down below. It's amazing, isn't it? Now, this is one of my favorite rooms. Look at this. Close the door. Now look at this room. It's the movie theater room. There is still dirt above us, but it doesn't matter. We have dimmed lights. We have seats, but these are not seats, they're stairs. We all know we can't sit in Minecraft. I could have been creative and put a cart there, but then it will look just plain ugly. So I did this. If you just chill in here, you can, and your legs are getting clogged up by this, you just remove it and you run away. By the way, this is not carpet. This substance is not carpet. If it was carpet, then this rod thingy fence would have been flying up in the sky. But this, it's not carpet. Okay? It's red wool. I'm being creative anyway here. Red wool. Now moving on to my bedroom. I'm not going to show you anything else than this beautiful bedroom. Lots of lights in it. It's more like a swimming pool, but I like water bedrooms. I don't know if that was even a real thing, but it's just okay, It's okay, isn't it? And then you sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Oh, come on. Night. Sleep. See, there we go. We slept off. Now I'm going to show you my kitchen. But you gotta say, this prismarine stairs and the prismarine blocks at the back were really good of an idea. I could have shown this, shown the build of this, but the thing is, it took like a long time. And even if I did time lapse, it would get kind of boring, But there will be a part 2, guys, don't worry. In that part 2, I'll extend this house. Either going deeper or going above. Or extending it just like that. Then we have some double cauldrons, double furnaces, this little land here. But there is the refrigerator, which I can't open. Yeah, cool refrigerator, isn't it? What is this? A non-opening refrigerator. But there's a little catch. You see that dispenser behind that refrigerator? Yeah. Now let's see. So there is a secret button behind. Click on that button and you saw that refrigerator opened and spit out that apple. Well, I got an apple. Yes, that's what the mechanism is. You click on that button and it gives you apples. You must be wondering why apples. This is because they are enchanted apples, not regular apples. Okay? Yeah. So, moving on. Now we're going to go to my personal favorite, my dining table. Obviously, we just came from here. This is like an elevator. Also, this is my frame. Do you like this? I don't remember this block. I think it was warped. I forgot how to name this, but it's something warped, something. Then I hope you like that lights there. I know you do. And this is polished diorite and stuff. You should make a house like this. It's really nice and cozy. Yeah, this is my dining table. By the way, you can't say no to these lanterns, can you? Or chandeliers. Or the lanterns. Chandeliers or lanterns, whatever these things are, they're there. Then there's again water over here to freshen up your feet and wash up your hands. No, there's just water there for design. And then again, but there's a little thing. These polished diorites are floating. Literally everyone who plays Minecraft should know how to make these things float. It's common stuff. You just put a block and then you put this thing on it. You put the stair on it and then you just break that block. Oh no, I just demolished that. It was a pretty bad idea of coming here in creative. Well, I'll fix that a bit later. But for now, that's it, guys. I just feel like extending this video. But there's no way how to. Well, I guess that's it for today. Bye. I felt like making more hype. This is Lightfighter 333 fading into the dark. Goodbye.